Grand Rising, happy Monday, Chic babes, fur babies, and love babes. How y'all doing today? Y'all see I got my lucky color on, orange. Yes, orange. It's a tangerine orange, but it is still orange. Happy Monday, y'all. Happy Monday. So y'all, I come with a unboxing video. What I got, y'all? Where I been? HomeGoods. HomeGoods. Yes, so me and Coco, we went out and about. We did some shopping yesterday. So I needed some more sheets. I needed some more sheet sets. And so I said, instead, because I was going to go to Target, I said, no, I haven't been to HomeGoods in a minute. And so I went to HomeGoods, y'all. And y'all know HomeGoods has some nice stuff. That's some very nice stuff, y'all. And look what I got. Tahari at home, y'all. These are 100%, 100% organic cotton. Okay, these are king size. I cannot wait to wrap up in these. I cannot wait to wrap up in these, y'all. And it comes in this care. This is the care bag that it comes in. It's really neat because it has some little buttons. Let's see. Yeah, it has some little buttons. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna keep it in the care bag, y'all, until I get ready. But I still want to see. Let's see if I can. That's what I get for having long hair nails, y'all. Anyway, yeah. So see. This is the care bag that it comes in. I'm going to keep these care bags. I always keep my care bags. Do y'all keep yours? I keep mine. So once I finish so once I wash them and I change them and I put another set on, see, I put these back in their care bag. Because if you don't, you know what? You'll have stuff all mixed up in your closet. You'll be like, well, where's my pillowcases that go with this? Where is it? That's the purpose of this care bag. Put everything back in your care bag, okay? Yeah, so I cannot wait to get wrapped up in these. These were $49.99. Regular price, $75. Okay, and it has one flat sheet, one fitted sheet, 2 pillowcases. Okay. Yes. And of course it has the washing instruction, care instructions. And it says, yes, it even says at the top, reuse this bag. Reuse this bag. Okay. So y'all know my home is my oasis, so my home has to be nice and comfortable. I have my surround sound going. I hope it don't pick up on the video, but oh well if it does. I have surround sound. I got speakers, Amazon Echo Dot, in every room. Yes, even in the kitchen, y'all. Even in the kitchen. Okay, playing my jazz. Okay. So thank y'all for tuning into this channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I drop videos by Chic Babes, Chic Fur Babies, and my new Luxe Babes. Bye.